Sup guys, welcome back. Now today is Sunday, and every second Sunday of each month Nelson has a cars and coffee event. It's quite a cool little event. There's a lot of different cars that turn up, and a lot of cool people that turn up as well. So cool. Yeah. Got the baby ready to go. I was thinking of taking it down to the car wash and getting a quick wash before heading down. Some old guy was just giving me the evils. Beautiful day today. Absolutely stunning. There's already a lot of cars there. I've always wanted one of those, eh?
Yeah.
Those are fucking sick.
This is what I was actually.
Oh really?
Piece of meat, man. Oh.
I appreciate that. 6.3 naturally aspirated.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. But I heard when you're coming. That is awesome. I love that.
Just for
6.3. Oh no, she's gorgeous, man. That is a great nick car.
I appreciate it, bro.
Especially how the engines have come along though, innit?
Yeah, they have.
Because they came from the 6.3 down to the 4. So I've had the turbos done. The turbos remapped done.
Ah, bro. Fucking hell.
How many horse? 610. Fuck. Really? Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. How many litre? 4 litre. No. 4 litre twin turbo V8, yeah. No. Yeah. I've had the.
Do you mind if I have a look inside it?
Yeah, cool, yeah, cool.
AMG, they know what they're doing with the insides of the vehicles, eh? The gold trim, that's sick.
Yeah, yeah, I added those bits.
So cool.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It is good, yeah. That's
Cheers, man.
gotta go work.
Have a good rest of the day, eh?
Yeah, yourself, man.
Fucking
Have a
hell.
good one.
I'll see you around.
See you later.
Yeah. Up the K truck. Good, thanks. How about you?
Good job. You don't even see these.
Yeah.
I just can't believe. I don't know what horsepower this one of mine, the wagon puts out, because it's a screwy car.
Yeah.
That fucking black thing can go. I've seen it running around.
Oh, that Mercedes?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just speaking to the owner before.
Yeah, you can make it go.
He's a nice guy, eh?
Yeah.
It puts out 600 horsepower.
It's ridiculous, isn't it?
That's fucked.
I not long ago sold a Corvette I had with 383 and it was only putting out 600 horsepower, and it was,
Yeah.
no, it wasn't fast.
Yeah.
And now I'm driving a little old Hillman down there.
Oh, yeah, bloody oh.
I have to play with, because I like that. That's stuff a wee car.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
It just looks alright, you know, you got a car that goes, but...
That's right, it's definitely one of my dream cars.
Yeah, I had a CLK coupe.
Oh, did you?
And I regret selling that because it was the A one.
Yeah.
And I loved it, but...
Yeah, I know the exact model you're talking about. That's a nice car. Yeah.
You only take the helmet and like this because I'm in a hot rod. One with a taxi on top.
Oh yeah.
On the side of it.
Oh cool.
Two doors. Not many of them around.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm only a second owner of that. I've done 38,000 miles.
Fucking hell.
Okay.
What year is it?
56.
56.
Yeah, well, the original owner.
Oh, that's pretty cool, eh?
different.
Like, that's so cool.
Different, eh?
It is, it's real different. Fuck yeah, I love old cars like this, eh?
Yeah, they're all fun. This is probably harder to work on than yours. Well, not for me because I've been working on them, but
yeah,
you can't find the right parts on there. It's hard work.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. It would be.
But that's okay. I just like everything's different. You know, you got this, you got yours, everything's fixed up, eh?
That's right, eh? It's what's cool about these events, is there's all different types of cars.
And we're all car people, we all talk to each other.
That's right.
It's the first time I come here because I've been past a couple of times and said, oh, there's a lot of Jappers.
Yeah.
But no, I'll bring one today and it was worth it.
Yeah, buddy, oh, for
I
that,
run with the guy with the bloody Willies, the round Willies there, the V8.
Oh, yeah.
I run with him everywhere, you see.
Yeah.
Quite a bit of a, he's got 1,000 horsepower sort of thing, I've got, I got 10 horsepower.
Yeah, true that, yeah.
But we enjoy getting out and having fun.
That's right, that's the most important thing, eh? Yeah, sounds good, have a good one, eh? Quite a good event today.
Yeah, I'll go to paint probably next week, hopefully.
Yeah, fucking oath.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Fuck yeah. Come out good.
Yeah, fucking oath. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, good bro.
Cheers, bro. Have a goodie. See you later, bro.
Take care, brother.
You too, man. guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Peace out.